Imagine if every decision you made in your 20s could quietly affect your chances of having a child decades later, not because of your lifestyle, not because of your health, but because the egg cells inside your body have been aging since before you were even born. Now, scientists believe they may have discovered a way to reduce one of the biggest problems caused by aging eggs. Could this change the future of fertility? Here's something most people don't know. Unlike men, who continuously produce new sperm throughout life, women are born with almost every egg they'll ever have. Before birth, a baby girl's ovaries already contain millions of immature egg cells. From that moment on, those eggs begin an incredibly long journey. Some remain dormant for decades. Imagine storing something delicate for 30 or even 40 years before finally using it. Over time, tiny changes begin to appear, and that's where the real challenge begins. Every human egg contains 23 chromosomes. When an egg matures, those chromosomes must separate with extraordinary precision. It's one of the most complex biological processes in the human body. But as eggs age, the machinery responsible for organizing those chromosomes slowly becomes less reliable. Imagine trying to zip up a jacket with a broken zipper. Sometimes everything lines up perfectly, sometimes it doesn't. When chromosomes don't separate correctly, the egg may contain too many or too few chromosomes. This dramatically increases the chances of infertility, miscarriage, or certain genetic conditions. Recently, researchers discovered something remarkable. They identified one reason why older eggs make more chromosome mistakes. A protein that normally helps keep chromosomes organized gradually becomes less effective as eggs age. So the scientists asked a simple but powerful question. What if we could restore that missing support? Using an experimental injection, they boosted this protective system inside older human eggs. The result? The number of chromosome errors was reduced by nearly half in laboratory experiments. That doesn't mean older eggs became young again, but it suggests scientists may be able to improve how aging eggs function. For millions of couples around the world, fertility is an emotional journey. Many people don't realize that age affects egg quality far more than egg quantity. Even when eggs are still present, their chromosomes become increasingly vulnerable to errors. If future studies confirm these findings, doctors may someday improve egg quality before IVF treatment. That could increase the chances of healthy embryos, reduce certain chromosome abnormalities, and help more families achieve successful pregnancies. It's important to remember, though, that this research is still experimental. It has not been proven as a treatment for patients yet. More studies are needed before it could become part of routine fertility care. This discovery represents something much bigger than fertility. It shows that scientists are beginning to understand why our cells age and how some of those changes might one day be repaired. The future of medicine may not simply treat disease. It may help preserve the healthy function of our cells before problems even begin. If you enjoyed discovering one of the most fascinating breakthroughs in human biology, subscribe to BioFacts and turn on notifications.